Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends. Most welcome. Hopefully you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. And most welcome my dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be elegant type thinking ideas like my crochet ideas. So friend, let's come and thinking ideas I introduced in this video. I hope friends you will be like my great and crochet ideas which I introduce in this video. These are very beautiful fundamental crochet color designs and different color combination are included in this video. Hopefully friends you will be like my crochet ideas. It's are very unique and are attractive to each other. These are very beautiful and fundamental design which I introduce in this video. So I hope you like them. And subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Upload this video your friends social friends and kindly to comment us my YouTube channel what would you like this video at a both negative and positive perspective. If you like these ideas, so friend kindly to comment my YouTube channel, so next time I will introduce new and thinking great ideas. These are very unique and attractive crochet table runners, very beautiful to each other. I hope friends you will be like enjoy my pictures videos. Dear friend, I hope you will be like my great and crochet service great ideas. Very outstanding, unique and crochet thinking styles which I introduce in this video. Hopefully friends you will be like my attractive crochet ideas which I introduce in this video. are very attractive and portable points. I hope you like these ideas. Dear friends, enjoy this video at the last. Kindly friend, watching this video at the last, you will get different type of thinking. Hopefully friends, you will be like my crochet and great ideas. So upload this video your pictures, social friends, social mutualities, social and mutual friends. Friend, you like my ideas. These ideas are very beautiful to each other and very beautiful attractive designs. Are very most beautiful crochet outstanding 90 pics in which a video included. Friend, I hope you will be like my crochet and elegant practice ideas. So friend, inshallah next time I will meet you new and great thinking crochet table covers and new crochet ideas. So friend, to take care and goodbye, nice meet you again. Are very beautiful idea. Inshallah ta'ala, next time I will meet you with a great and thinking ideas. And friends, to take care, goodbye, have a nice day.